Hello everyone, today's video about algebraic fraction. As you know about the algebra, as well you know about the fractions, right? So in this algebraic fractions, we are going to use both knowledge about the algebra and fraction. We use the parallelly both of that, okay? So this first question, here we are given two terms and between them addition sign. So just think, forget about here I gave you the unknown number x. Think there is some one number, particular number, constant term. Then, and if you want to do the addition of the fraction, then of course we need the same denominator. Here 3 and 2 is a different denominator. So first we try to do same denominator. Here also we doing the same thing. So x over 3 plus x over 2, and what we are going to do, first term we are multiplying by the second fraction's denominator, which is a 2, and second fraction we multiply by the first fraction denominator, which is a 3. So 2 times x is a 2x over 3 times 2 is a 6, plus sign as it is. 3 times x times 3 is a 3x, and 2 times 3 equal to 6, right? Now we have a same denominator, 6 and 6. So denominator we write as it is 6, and top number we are going to add now. So 2x and 3x is a like terms. So here we use that collecting like terms rules, okay? So 3x and 2x is a like term. So we add them together, which is a 5x. This is our answer. Let's move on here. See, here this is 1a, this is the 1b. See, here you can see fraction is the same, but between fraction the sign, I just changed the sign. Here it was plus sign and here it is a multiplication. So what is the rules for multiplying the fractions? Just multiply top number to top and bottom to bottom, right? So x times x is what? X square, and 3 times 2 is a 6. This is the answer. So see, same fraction, but only the sign between them is a different. So we apply the same rules about the fraction, okay? Fraction, addition and multiplication rules we will add. Let's see here. Question 2a and b I give here, and both have a same fraction, but again I do it here plus sign, here multiplication sign, okay? So let's first here different denominator, so we have to make the same denominator. So what we are going to do, xy over 3 I write here, okay? Now first fraction I will multiply by the denominator of the second fraction, which is a x. So x over x. And second fraction I will multiply by the first fraction's bottom number, 3 times 3, right? 3 over 3 I mean. Let's see what is the answer. Xy times x is a x square y, right? Over 3 times x is a 3x, right? Plus here 2 times 3, which is a 6, and x times 3 is a 3x. Remember, when we write the any terms with the number, means coefficient and variable, then coefficient number will come first and then behind variable, okay? So now we have a same denominator. So denominator first we write as it is 3x. Okay, x square y plus 6, not a like term. So what can we do? Just we write as it is x square y plus 6. This is our answer. We'll leave it here because we cannot do anything anymore. Okay, so let's move on for the 2b. Here we have to multiply. Here multiplication sign, right? Between two fraction we have a multiplication sign, so we are going to multiply. What is going on? xy times 2. xy times 2 is a 2xy, right? And 3 times x is a 3x, right? It's super easy. Remember, multiplication is a very easier in a fraction than addition or subtraction, right? Let's move on. Question number 3. 3a. 3a and 3b has the same fraction, but here first question a has a minus sign between two fractions and B question has a multiplication sign. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's we do little change here. Instead of multiplication, we are try to do division. Okay. So here, first we have a not a same denominator, so we try to make the same denominator. If you know 4 and 2, 2 is a factors of the 4, right? So we can make the 2 4. So first fraction we keep as it is because it has a 4 denominator, and this 2 we can make it 4. So this 4 we leave it as it is, minus 2x over 2x minus 3 over 2 and times by the 2, because 2 times 2 is a 4. I want to make it here 4, that's why. So first fraction no need to multiply, so I just write as it is, take away 2x times 2 equal to 4x, and minus 3 times 2 is a minus 6. As you know, negative times positive equal to negative, so 6 is a negative. And here 2 times 2 is a 4. Now we have a same denominator, 4 and 4. So we just copy first denominator. Okay, now, sorry, x and 4x is a like terms, right? So we can take away. So 1x take away 4x, minus 3x remain, right? Okay, minus 4 and here minus minus 6, because this minus sign and this minus sign we have to consider. So minus minus going to be a plus 6, right? So minus 4 plus 6 going to be a plus 2. Okay, because see, if you confuse, I will show you here. This 4 is a minus 4, but this 6 already it is a minus, and here is also minus sign. This minus sign come from here and this minus sign come from here. So minus minus going to be a plus 6. So minus 4 plus 6 equal to plus 2. That's why here is a plus 2. Okay. So this is our answer. Let's see here what can we do here. Okay. Here is a division sign, right? So what I am going to do, first if I want to do division of two fractions, then of course remember that rules, keep flip switch. So we just change this sign. To change this sign, first fraction we keep it as it is. This division sign we change into the multiplication sign, and we flip this fraction. So 2 goes to the top and 2x minus 3 goes to the bottom fraction. Okay. Now let's we multiply. So top number to top number we multiply, bottom to bottom we multiply. So x minus 4 times 2, which is we can multiply like a brackets, right? Remember, and 4 2x minus 3. Doesn't matter this right behind or front. Okay. So 2 times x is a 2x. Okay, and minus 4 times 2 equal to minus 8 over 4 times 2 is a 8x, and 4 times minus 3 equal to minus 12. This is our answer. Okay. Of course, if you want to simplify it here, you can do one thing. 4 and 2 2 is a common factor, because 4 means what? 2 times 2, right? So this 1 4 can cancel down, or so what remain here? This 4 going to cancel down. So here remain x minus 4 as it is. So you can leave that answer and you can keep this answer as well. So here this is a 2. So 2 times 2 is a 4x, and 2 times minus 3 is a minus 6. Okay, this is the answer. If you do like this without here cancelling, if you don't want to cancel here and you get this answer, if you get this answer, how can you get this one? Okay, what is the common here? 2 and 8 has what is common? 2 is a common factor, right? Because 2 and 8 also can divide by 2, 4 times 2, right? Which we do already here. So, and here also let's try to take out the 2 common outside. So 8 divided by 2 is a 4x, and 12 divided by 2 is a minus 6. So this 2 to cancel down. So see, we get this answer. So instead of doing it twice, if it is at the beginning when you multiply, you have a common factor, just cancel down it. Okay, this is not look clear. Let me try clear it. 4, 2 factors of the 4 is a 2 times 2. Okay, and 1, 2 I cancel here. I hope you understand. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.